Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this 1960, I believe it is, Austin Healey Sprite, commonly known as Frogeye. As you can see, it's presented in this beautiful blue colour, fresh from a fairly recent restoration. As a result, the car is in superb condition. Just give you a quick walk around the car. Steel bonnet, as original. I believe it's a repatriated US car, presumably dry state. As a result, the car is in really sound order, nice and tidy underneath. Good panel fit around the bonnet. It's not always the case with these. Colour really suits the car. Suits its cheeky character. Overall, it presents extremely well. As you can see, the car looks nice and straight and solid. All correct badging, electrical equipment. Still sat on original period steel wheels with hubcaps, which again is good to see. Car performed really well on test drive. Obviously it's fairly basic, so true wind in the hair motoring, but peppy A series engine, very direct gearbox. Restoration extends to the interior, so we've got retrimmed seats, dark blue with light blue piping, again which is nice to see, navy blue carpets. Dashboard's in good order, oil pressures spot on for an A series. Obviously there is no boot as such, although you've got this large area on the seats where the spare wheel is. Hood's in good order, comes with side screens. Bit of history with the car as well, certainly all the receipts from the restoration, but overall a really nice example. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. Thank you for watching.